Hello everyone. So it's not a vlog today. Today I will show you a very healthy recipe for babies, especially for dinner. For the age group between 16 to 20 months, I am serving it, and you can also serve for the babies above that age. So here is the dal. Here it's mixed dal and it's easily available in market. And when we will soak it for at least 2 to 3 hours, the black portion of this dal are easily removed. The black portion you can see here are easily removed. So let's soak it for 2 to 3 hours at first, then we will go for the next process. So after soaking it for 2 to 3 hours, we need to wash it thoroughly, as because the black portions of the dal are not digested by baby's stomach. So here you can see the black portion are removing slowly. So we need to wash it several times. See, here I am washing it several times. When we will see that we will notice that there are no black portions of dal remaining, that means it is okay. So I am washing it again, and here it is. So after washing properly, this is the texture, and here I will add some veggies. So if you want, you can add potato also. Today I will not add potato, and I will add some rice grains along with it and wash it properly again. So first let me cut these veggies, these two veggies, and mix it. And here it is, I added some rice grains, and these all are local rice grains. So I will wash it again properly. And here are the veggies that I have already cut, and I will add some pieces of ginger. So these all are not required, a few amount of ginger is required, so it's okay. This one I will add here. So let me wash all these properly again, and then I will go for cooking. So let me wash this all properly now. And here I will need a pressure cooker, so I will make it in cooker only because it will take less time. So the cooker is already heated, and now I used a little bit of oil. So let the oil get heated properly, and here I will add some cumin seeds, a very small amount of cumin seeds, as cumin also helps in digestion of the baby. So let it fry a little bit, and then I will add ginger here, so a few amount of ginger also. And now I will stir it a little bit. Yeah, it's okay, it's already fried here. And now I will add all this. I have mixed all this, that dal and rice grains, veggies, and now I am adding a small amount of salt. I am giving him a little bit of salt to my baby, and salt is also required here for boiling. And now I am adding a few amount of cumin powder, and I will also add haldi powder, little bit of haldi powder, and I will again stir it properly. Yeah, now I am again stirring it properly, very well. So ginger you can also avoid, and you can also use also. I am not giving him ginger regularly, so now I added a little bit of water. I'll add more water. So here I will add again a little bit of water. So all the means you will know the amount of water it's required. You cannot add too much of water, add it as it will become very means what to tell, means it will, the baby will not like to eat if you add too much of water. So I will close the lid and I will wait for 3 whistles. So as I am using one hand for mobile and I am cooking with one hand, so we will wait for 3 whistles. And now here it's ready. So the vapor is gone and the cooker is ready to be opened, and I opened it here and see it's ready. So here I will use a masher to mash all the veggies. I will not use it hard, slowly we can press it as all the things are boiled. And now I will serve this. So here it is. So one thing you can remember here, that don't make it too hard. You can, means I am using a little bit light for my baby as he likes this, means this texture of food. He can't eat very hard, so this is enough. As because I made here a little, means a little. So this is ready, and we will add here a little amount of Amul butter to make it more tasty for the baby. And it's a very healthy and tasty dinner for the baby of age group between 16 to 18 months. So here it is ready.